Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Universal Credit. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Universal Credit, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you have to search for Universal Credit Login. And after searching for that, you will come up to this page where you have to tap on this first option which says sign in to your Universal Credit account. Just tap on that, and after tapping on that it will take you to this page where you have to scroll down and then tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, it will take you to the sign in section, and you have to enter your username and password. So just enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in you will successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your password or if you have forgotten your username, what you can do is you can easily reset or recover your username by tapping on forgotten username or by forgotten password. And then after tapping on that options, you can easily reset or recover your password, and after creating a new password you have to come back to this page and just enter that password you have created and then tap on sign in. After doing that, you will successfully sign into your account. And that's it guys, this is how to log in into your Universal Credit account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.